Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove red underline from Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word, and you can see I have some data with the red underline. So there is a two method to remove this underline. So I will show one by one. Okay. So first method is simple. Just select the word, okay, and right click on it and just click and ignore all. Okay. So all red line with the similar word will be removed. Okay. So now you need to select another word and just click ignore all. Then the similar word like same word will be removed. Okay, the red underline for same word will be removed. Okay, so you need to choose one by one unique word and remove it. This is the first method, and second method is very simple. You can remove all red line underline at once. What you can do, go to the file. Okay, just click on file, and here go to the options. Under the option we need to go in this proofing option. Proofing. Okay, now here under the proofing you can see that option called when correcting spelling and grammar in word. So you need to uncheck all that. Okay, so you keep as this as check mark, but you need to rest. Okay, disable all. Okay, then click OK. Now you can see all red line has been gone. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.